Don't do this at home, kids.
It's alright, that.
Yeah, of course. Tonight's escapade. Getting our drive shaft out of there. This all has to be stripped. The lot. Caliper's got to come off. Disc's got to come off. Track rod end, drop link. Once that's done, you can get this hub off. And then that shaft kind of pushes in there. The strut and everything. You've got a bottom ball joint as well. That splits off. You can move that off to one side. Gearbox oil's got to be drained, and then usually you can kind of get in there. They just pry the shaft out, or I'm maybe, whether that's a seal housing or not, I don't know. I have to check. I'll have to find some words somewhere. But the shaft should just come, and then we can replace the boot on the shaft and put it all back together. But it is a good opportunity to have a bit of a clean up and check that these calipers are working, because they look absolutely battered. I realised that they've got fairly new pads in them, but that said, the back calipers, the pins were seized. I've had to order pins, which is why I haven't finished putting that back on yet, but we'll see what happens now. This is probably going to be time-lapse, because do you really want to watch me swear at stuff for half an hour? Hell, even I don't want to watch that. I watch anything. Who asked you?
It seems like the sun slipped out of here when you broke my heart in two. I knew I could never see the strength
So let me just that's brilliant, that is. What a great bit of design. 12mm Allen key. So you want to fight, do you? Oh, I can fight. M8 connecting nut with a 12mm spanner. Right. Oh, would help if I'm not a complete moron. Of course, it doesn't help that this has probably never been out. I think it moved. It's not all that's moved. Good God. Oh. Christ. Oh. This never, ever, ever goes according to plan. Doesn't matter where I put the jug, it's always in the wrong place. Ever, 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 ever goes according to plan. Come on. Look at that. The size of this. See, every time. And that is some nice gear oil. It's on the floor. Oh. So if you're wondering why half of that fight wasn't recorded, it's because I forgot to press record. Happens to the best of us, you know. But yeah. Anyway, all loose this bloody cable tie. I should just. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Well, that was a dry joint. All because somebody thought they'd cut the corner. Fuck the next guy, eh? Yep. Now these are from my personal stash because the ones that came with the boot were dreadful. Absolutely dreadful. And how do I know this? Because I've already tried to fit it once. Yeah, I thought you'd have something to say about it. Right, so here is a special pair of pliers. These are the cheapest of the cheap type of these pliers, but these clips are so much better than the others. Oh, Christ. Oh yeah, far better. Considerably better than what was on there. Let's get shafted. Right, now I don't know what we can see all together. I clip this piece. Right, let's get our retaining plate. Bloody hell. Let's get our retaining plate done up on there.
I just can't understand. I just can't understand. Love is the regrowth of the wings of the soul. Finding the time to find myself in my mind. I just can't understand. I just can't understand. You know you never said to me what you wanted me to be. I can be anything, anything I want except to be free. I want it all now, to live my life perfectly able to see. I can see anything, anything that I want. I just can't.
Before we forget, I think what we need to do is make sure that we have filled a gearbox up with oil. Now, being as the condition of the oil that was in your last was so bloody good, I am going to use the same oil again and top it up with some fresh, nice new Gel 4. Now, you might say that an impact gun is a bit of overkill for this, but the thing is overkill is my second favourite kind of kill. And there's one thing about it is I always know it will work. It's almost as if I've done this before. You fill until it comes out the hole. Insert loo joke here. This probably doesn't make for very good entertainment. The anticipation, however, is killing me. Let's just turn this down a notch. And make it go the right way. The multiple torque settings on this thing. It's an excellent piece of equipment. Right. And yeah, so we have a refitted, repaired drive shaft, all sorted, all good to go. The caliper I'm not going to put on right now. I've got to clean that up a bit first. I might take it off and check it out because it's not looking fantastic, but I'll clean it all up, sort it all out, and that's where we'll leave that, because now that shaft is in, that's what I wanted to achieve tonight. So right, cool, shafted. Yeah.
It's alright, that.